Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this new video, I teach you about the topic of how to increase Shopify sales the top products. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Due to this, you will never miss any update on my YouTube channel. So now let's start our topic and search the title. How to increase Shopify sales the top products. After search, you will get different results related. We can check one by one and get benefits from it. So now let's start the topic. Creating a Shopify store is only the first step to building a successful business. The challenges lies in really getting it out of the ground, product line to support your work, and driving traffic to your brand new things. For many small business, the biggest reasons for failing to hit their goals is that they step out of line with their strategy. The top Shopify stores out there have many things in common. The apps they use, the quality of their designs, they all do is focus on a winnings, and store owners have to use the best, stand out of and grow. In this post, dig into how you can get some Shopify sales for your store. But first, let's talk about why your store might not be turning traffic into sales. Some existing online store may be attracting traffic just fine, but the sales, in that case, you need to put yourself in the shoes of your shoppers. People to hang out in your store, but they are feeling it. Why is that? Shoppers have become smart about, so they look for reasons to trust the brands they shop with. Create trust by Shopify, making your security clear. You want to make it as easy as possible for your shoppers looking for your navigations must be on pointed. Add your Shopify collections in your navigations menu and throughout your homepage. So now our topic is end. See you the next video. Take care. Bye.